All right, hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including today, the KN95, unbranded on the box. Where did you get the title here? AnanBros mask. Let's put it in the clamp and see what happens. AnanBros. Be careful with that name, folks. You know, when you're in mixed company. Whoa, they're blue. Okay, this. And the name, when you so on Amazon, the brand name is AnanBros, and then when you get it, the actual situation together, the name is Barbeador. I don't know what any of that means except for that. Makes me uncomfortable. Oh boy. Oh, this is cool. These are individually wrapped and they've got a quality certificate in each one. These guys hate money. All right, let's put there. I'm going to test the blue one. Is that blue? I'm not gonna test all the colors because hey, I don't get paid per test, folks. The only currency I accept is likes and subscribes. This is a PFE machine from the tinier than normal Lloyd. It's freaking me out that I'm like 10% smaller. I'm just not used to it. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. If you want to find out more about how this works, I'm going to put a link up there, but the quick version, we're doing the N95 test here, which is very similar to the KN95 test. And the whole reason behind this channel and everything is so we can test masks, not so you don't have to, but because, well, so you don't have to, but because you probably can't, do it at your house, right? Because this is all very expensive equipment. Let's talk about AnanBros. Say that 5 times fast. It's like I slit the sheet, the sheet I slit. Upon the slitted sheet I sit. Say that 5 times fast. It's gonna break if I pull real hard, but that's pretty good. I kind of like the blue. I don't know, I feel like the blue is it's like a baby bluish, but it's kind of a bold blue, It's like, I'm making a statement with this mask. Let's put it on. Oh, geez, fail. I like they have matching blue earlobes, that's cool. I'm gonna call this smell, something went wrong with this plastic. There's like, it's like you put it on and you're like, oh, it's plastic. And then you're like, wait, no, there's something there. It's weird. I don't know what it is. Let's talk about the mask for a second. So this is not a KN95 mask, even though obviously they're claiming it to be. How can I tell? Well, KN95 needs 3 things. You need to say KN95, check, they did that. It also needs to say the executive standard, which they probably put on here. Yep, they have. And it needs to have the manufacturer's name. Now, they're not hiding the manufacturer here. They clearly have Barbeador, AnanBros, clearly labeled on the mask. And then they also, what's the actual name? It's the Jiangsu Liyu Razor Co. Limited. Yeah, so, it makes sense. These guys were making the Dollar Shave Club razors. They pivoted. So, they need to say the manufacturer's name on here, and the reason why is so that it's just like you drive a car, you see the manufacturer's name, it's so that you can be held to that standard, and that's part of the KN95 standard. And typically, like what we find is when someone doesn't have those 3 things, the testing also doesn't match, because like that's really easy to do, and it's really hard to make a mask that passes standards. So, AnanBros, did you make a good mask? I mean, individually packaged, different colors, like that's kind of nice. Holy shit, how did we not mention the fact that how did someone let this get slipped by, that this is a soft touch box? These guys are killing the game here, and they got a PFE score to boot. 99.388, 99.388, that's great. What was the airflow? Get a little high on the airflow resistance, so we're also measuring breathability. It was 164. That's a little bit higher. I want to see it around the 150, but I mean, you're getting multiple colors. You're getting hot pink. You're getting black. You're getting the weird blue. You're making, if you're out to make a statement, like this might be the mask for you, bud. About $1 a piece. That's pretty good. You got to deal with that slight weird smell, but individually packaged, is a pretty good mask. All right, thank you guys. Thank you, AnanBros. Did not think you would pull it out. Didn't think that you would pull out a mask that's this good, but you did. You did. Thank you. If you guys have enjoyed this, give me a like, subscribe, you know, all that standard YouTube stuff, and I will catch you on the next test.